If you're looking to buy a Porsche 911, especially the 992 generation, either used, new, or you're ordering a brand new one, you definitely need to get this app, the Porsche Connect app. Let me tell you why. So first off the bat, what is the Porsche Connect app? So it's basically an app on your phone that connects to your car. It will give you all the basic info, like what's your VIN number, what's the current kilometers, how much gas left, when's the next service, all that. It will also let you know if your car is locked, unlocked, in my case, because mine's the Car VS GT3, if the windows are down, if the top is up, if the front hood is actually up. So you can see that actually all right over here. Another cool thing is like if you can't find your car in a really big car park, you can actually turn on the horn too. So details right over here. You can actually go in. It will show you exactly when your next service, your oil change is, and it will actually tell you the tire pressure too. So it will tell you for each one. So if you guys watched my previous video, I did overinflate my tires because it is in hibernation right now. It is better to overinflate the tires so there's no flat spots. So in this case, I actually overinflate them. The fronts I'm at 49. So if you can see, it says plus 22. So that means I'm overinflating them by 22 psi. And for the back tires, I'm at 46 and it says I'm plus 17. If you keep on going, it will say my last drive time was 2 hours. I went 30 kilometers. This is my average consumption. And then if you keep on going to all trip data, you can see when I drove it. So when I last drove it was January 1st, 2024. And then all that before. And then since refueling, what's my average consumption, my total, right? So you can see all that right over here. And then you can actually see what's my average consumption. So as you guys can see, I really drive my car. I don't use it as a garage queen that much, right? And then it will actually show me what my daily consumption is. So because I have my exhaust on, so I push my car. So you can see it's 19.4 because I don't really drive on the highway that much. So my fuel consumption is a bit high. So more than that, you can actually go through the alarms and the Porsche CarPlay. You can actually set things up like how you want it to link, what apps to go through, all that you can set through that. And the PCM is actually more stuff that you can link. So one cool thing is you can actually link your calendar. So if you have a work schedule, all that will go through your PCM. So that goes through your car. So even though your car's not linked, there's a profile that will actually link that through. So you can actually see it from your car. Another thing is you can actually link from Apple Music and Spotify too. So that means even though if you didn't bring your phone, you can actually link your car's music through that. So that's pretty cool as well. And then of course there's a car finder, so you guys can see where my car is parked, right? If you have an electric car, you can press the middle button and then you actually find where the charge stations are. And then the favorite is that you can actually set up favorites to where you want to go. And then for this button right over here, you can see there's a standard and there's satellite view. And then I did the real-time traffic, so as you can see, there is no traffic. Green is all good, orange that means there's slight traffic, and then red that means there's some traffic. So just avoid that, right? So all pretty standard, as you can see. And a really cool thing is you can actually go through the owner's menu as well. So when you're bored, you don't know what to do, you just want to kill time, you can actually go through all the different chapters and there's some kind of video instructions too, which is pretty cool. I've never seen an app have a menu that's that precise. So it's definitely worth going through, like where your steering wheel is, your heater, cancel, resume, like all this is all right over there. So if you're more of a quirky guy, you want to know exactly what's in your car, this is definitely something to actually go through. One other thing that I wanted to go through is when you go to account, you can actually go to my garage, right? It will show you what your car has and all the different options will be right here. And a really cool thing is if you want to kind of like order your next dream car, in my case the GT3, it's actually right here. It's actually really cool. You can actually open it in your configurator and on the right side you actually delete it. But whatever you do, you actually save it in your app. So if you do want to kind of get it priced out or send it to your SA, you just send it from your app, which is really cool. I always send this to my SA like every 3 months or so. I was like, hey, this is my newest GT3 build. If there's an empty slot, do let me know. So it's definitely something cool to like have. This is just feels it's more in sync. So another cool thing that you can do is you can go to contact and help. And if your car doesn't work, you're probably in a scramble. Yes, of course, you can go to Google and whatnot, but this one, it will connect it by itself. Like you would have the VIN, just press call service center, boom. It's a really fluent feature to have. And one thing I really like is if you go back to overview and then you go to vehicle details, make an appointment. This is actually really good to have. Here's my Porsche Center, continue, and that's my current kilometer, continue. It will automatically go through and book the service for you step by step. And if you have anything that you want to see, let's say rim is scratched, you just put it right over here and just press continue. Like it kind of saves you the hassle of calling and then booking, and it's just really efficient to have. So like for a busy guy like me, sometimes I just don't have the time, and then it's just, or at night before I sleep, I'll say, oh, I better book a service, blah blah blah. It's just really good to have that I can go through this app and book everything right there. So it would confirm it, and then someone will text you or call you the next day just to confirm everything. So I think this is really fluent. It really works with your car. It works with my lifestyle, because sometimes you just don't want to always call them. It's just a pain in the butt. It shows the operator, the exact mileage, exact time, what you need done, and then what notes that you actually put in your car. Everything gets pushed through, so it's really easy, just step by step. One more thing that I want to show you is called the Track Your Dream. So this is actually really important. It really enhances your whole experience of building a car and actually getting your car. Once my essay put my build in, I get a confirmation not just from my essay, it's from Porsche itself. It was like, congratulations, blah 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 blah. And then after that, when you log in and set up your Audi Connect, it actually syncs you to what they call the Track Your Dream. You actually feel really special because they keep you looped in the whole production process, let you know when your build is put in, when you have a lock date, when the production started, and when it's done, it will actually show you your car coming out of the assembly line. To me, I feel that's very, very cool. You just feel very extra special. It's done when you get your car. You actually get like a birth certificate of your car too. That's really, really cool. After it's produced, that's not just it. It will actually show you it's getting by rail, by boat, which boat is it coming, DA, blah, blah, blah. It's just really cool to keep you looped in. I've never seen another brand have these apps like this, and I'm really happy that Porsche would actually invest time to develop these apps, which would definitely elevate your Porsche ownership. So that's it, guys. Do let me know what you guys think about this Porsche app. Is there anything that I'm missing? Is there any other brands that have apps like this? Let me know in the comments below. It is kind of mid-February. Spring is just around the corner. My Porsche should be out of hibernation very, very soon. Thanks again for watching. Hopefully in the next video or two, my car will be out and then we'll be out driving again. Have a great day, guys. Peace out.